That race was fixed, wasn't it, man?
What you
That
think,
was fixed,
man?
wasn't it, man? Ain't that what your boy
Yeah,
say,
that was
man?
Funky Town. I'm gonna show the race to Funky Town. See
Yeah,
what
he
he
gonna say
say.
the same thing.
Okay, I'm gonna show it to Funky Town.
Hey, let me know when you.
I'm finna get. Oh,
Let me know
what?
when you ride
When
ride
I'm
off.
off live, what you trying to do? You going to XRP
Yeah, I'm
with
going to
me?
XRP.
Okay. Got my boy with his look. Okay. Well, I done seen the race I want. Hey, oh no, you ain't doing nothing right. Okay. Yeah. It look like people leaving.
Anybody else racing?
I don't know. I don't know. Shit. I don't know. I thought. I'm just looking. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Now I gotta make Demonology a new song, y'all. Gotta get him one of them. He need an up tempo beat now since he didn't won a race. Okay, we need him a. Man, what kind of beat is an up tempo? Who be singing up tempo? Migos. Oh yeah, Migos. Yeah. We're gonna do a Migos type beat. Yeah, we finna see some.
Create a short and show support for LGBTQ
Look out, y'all.
short you create with the hashtag YouTube
What is all this going on in this commercial? I gotta listen to this thing here. Hey, yeah. Hey. Okay. Ain't a lot going on in that beat. Hey. Oh, I can't hear it that good. Hey. Snatching them souls. This shit ain't never getting old. I pull up, you know, I just drove. I pull up, you know, my car roll. Yeah, I'm on the curb. Yeah, full pay. Getting on the boys there. And we betting a little cash. Hey, here it goes, car. Hey. Just look. I was about to go hard. I just had a distraction. But anyway, y'all, I'm finna go on. I'm finna roll. Everybody getting hugged. It look like it's time to go. All this hugging going on. Look like it's time. Why you not at the rumble in the jungle? That's where I'm headed to. Hey, Ruth girl. Ruth, we finna go to the rumble in the jungle. We finna go to the rumble in the jungle.
I'm not ready to go to.
We'll holler at you in a minute, sweetheart.
Yes, I'm so tired.
All righty. Yeah. Oh. Dang, AC so cold, it's still cold in this thing. Okay. What I need to do? I'm gonna get this off of the clip. And y'all gonna be up here vibrating a little bit, I think. That's that that badass tune I
You gonna
got.
straight with the
Yeah.
XRP?
Yeah, it's still on the live. Yep.
That boy dedication.
I'm trying to get this money, man. I'm trying to see. I might get a new donator while
What's
I'm
that?
driving. I might get a new donator while I'm driving, so I'll be staying live.
Hey, I see y'all. You still had it right there. Thanks to that man right there. This man do some good work. Yeah.
Look out, look out.
This man right here do some. He get some good footage.
I'm about to go get some more. We about to go.
Yeah.
About to go up here to
We're gonna
XRP.
go to the other track over there. They got some big heavy hitter stuff going on over at XRP. So, but I hit. Yeah. That's not up like 5.
Let me see,
Man, I don't know when you see. I was trying to.
Yeah, man.
I think something wrong. Something broke on his car, man.
I thought, even though I got it tuned, that's just how I do sometimes.
You know what I'm saying? It's like something wrong with his car.
Oh, there. Oh, okay.
I'll meet you over there.
All right, I'll see you out there. I got some old water in here. That's what I got. Really? Damn, that's what I need. Really. Perfect time to freestyle. That could be correct. Let me find one. So I'll be able to hear you good in here. Where's my other phone go that fast?